Weekend in the life. Struggle with the vlog titles. Weekend in the life with my sister in Maui.
Since it's my last day.
You guys, my core is still obliterated.
But it's absolutely
Since birth. Oh my gosh.
But it's absolute. What? Don't touch my cat.
My baby grabs everything. All right, we're all showered and clean. I love putting the Great Barrier Relief from Crave on my skin right after the beach. It just feels so good and hydrating after the salty sunshine time. And now, yeah, we're just gonna have some hangs at the main house. Just gonna head on over. It's been so nice staying in the little ohana. It's like major, massive upgrade. Ellen, the plant in the front bedroom is looking sad. Can I water it?
Yeah, thanks.
But it's absolute. Will the chickens eat me?
No, they don't.
It'll be much harder because the chicken rally's a little further now.
Okay guys, I'm getting eaten alive. I'm putting on my bug spray. I'm sorry for the smell in advance. Any other breastfeeding moms always have to hold their chest while they run? Always. I got a little bit burnt on my face. I haven't been burnt on my face in so long. Alright, this is the bug spray I'm using. It's the doTERRA Terra Shield. Jaylee recommended it to me. It's just a very, very strong smell. But I guess all bug sprays are. I am one of those people whom bugs love. Okay. Maybe if I run fast enough, the mosquitoes won't get me. Very quiet workout because the baby is napping in that room and we are working out in this room. We're gonna do Ellen style workouts because I am a mother now and I don't have time to do an hour of yoga a day plus trail running. So let's do it. Maybe I shouldn't be doing that on camera. Not been filming very much today because it's been chaotic. It's been full and I've just been editing a video and now it's time to eat some lunch. I'm making 4 people salads, myself included. I really needed a hair tie and all the kids were trying to give me these as hair ties, as if this would fit around my thick hair, and also it's gonna rip my hair off because it's so sticky. Yeah, but like around my hair, it's just gonna rip it all my beautiful hair out. Do you really want that, Elvis? Ellen, how is your day going? Productive. Despite maybe not being productive, it turned out productive. What is today? What is today in this vlog? Today is yeah. Mm-hmm. He's with Uncle Cat in the ohana.
I'm going to play.
Okay, we're gonna play basketball. Now the whole family's playing, and I just wanted to know I got real serious. I added a hat, sports bra, exercise shorts, and shoes even. Never wear shoes here. Hold the meal up and be like, look at my beautiful plant-based meal. Look at my beautiful plant-based meal. Look at that. This is so peaceful. We are in the car for one more adventure. Let's go.
That's what you are. In the middle of the night when I can't get hold of it.
What is this place?
So beautiful,
It's
huh?
like they engineered this Disneyland waterfall just for us.
You make it hard, trying not to let it show, but I just can't let it go. You know every little thing I like, don't you? You're moving at the perfect times, aren't you? You got it, I want it, the feeling is closer. I want it, you got it, the feeling is closer. We cannot support it, the feeling is closer. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. You got it, I want it, the feeling is closer.
Ellen and Andrew were so nice. They offered to hold the baby for us so we could climb up to the next waterfall, and it is so epic. I should have brought my bug spray. I'm covered in bites right now. I don't do well with mosquitoes, and I'm super hungry, but
I'm like a lock, but you know which way to turn, not to slip past all the parts. It never stops. I'm caught up in the fall, caught against a hard wall. I break up and break down. You know every little thing I like, don't you? You're moving at the perfect times, aren't you? You got it, I want it, the feeling is closer. I want it, you got it, the feeling is closer.
that waterfall was so beautiful. Wonderful day. We were there for hours.
Yeah.
And
So gorgeous.
we're now going to a girls' night at Danielle's, our friend Danielle's.
Danielle's like, why are you guys?
And I'm a little burned, but that's okay. But I am not going to vlog because I've been vlogging too much on this trip. I just want to relax and enjoy myself. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
The feeling is closer.